Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today's lecture summary about light microscope of chapter 4 cells and tissues for class 9th. So first of all, what is light microscope? This is the picture diagram of the light microscopes in which the source of light used as the source of light, that is the image mirror is used as a source of light, source illuminator in which light microscope, the microscope which use light to make the image of an object is called light microscope. What is light microscope? The microscope which use light to make the image of an object, which use the light to make the image of an object is called light microscope. You can see in your book on book page 66. This is a simple compound microscope. In other words, we can say this is a light microscope because you can see this is the source of light. Source of light, this is mirror. ठीक है, ये मिरर है, इट इज़ इल्यूमिनेटर. ठीक है, मिरर पे लाइट पड़ती है, इसकी जो रेडिएशंस हैं वो स्पेसिमेन पे पड़ती है. एज अ रिजल्ट वो स्पेसिमेन आपको क्लियर नज़र आता है बाय द हेल्प ऑफ द आई पीस. सो दिस इज़ द कंपाउंड माइक्रोस्कोप, या इसको हम कह सकते हैं दिस इज़ द लाइट माइक्रोस्कोप. बिकॉज इसको हमने लाइट माइक्रोस्कोप क्यों कहा? बिकॉज द माइक्रोस्कोप यूज लाइट टू मेक द इमेज ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट. Source of radiations. Light is the source of radiation. Magnification. The magnification power of the light microscope is 1500 times. Resolution. The resolution power of the light microscope is 0.2 micrometer. Process of image formation. Light passes through the sample and then through two glass lenses. ठीक है, इसके बाद क्या होता है? One lens produces an enlarged image of the sample and the second lens magnifies the image more. After passing through the object and the lenses, the light is projected into the viewer's eye where an enlarged and clear image is formed. ठीक है, आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पर दिस इज़ द लाइट माइक्रोस्कोप. यहाँ पर स्टेज पर हम सैंपल रखते हैं. ये देखिए, दीज आर द ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंसेज. ठीक है, सोर्स ऑफ रेडिएशंस हैं. ठीक है, एंड फोकस नोब्स जिसकी मदद से हम एडजस्टमेंट करते हैं. ठीक है, तो ये था हमारे पास लाइट माइक्रोस्कोप. इसके बाद है हमारा next question. Explain electron microscope. So this is transmission electron microscope. Electron microscope is of two types: transmission electron microscope and scanning electron microscope. Transmission electron microscope and scanning electron microscope. In this magnetic lenses are used and this is sample जहाँ पर हम sample रखते हैं, and this is your viewer जिसकी मदद से हम देख सकते हैं image को. ठीक है, नाउ इलेक्ट्रॉन माइक्रोस्कोप, the image which uses the microscope which uses a beam of electrons to make the image of an object. वहाँ पर light is used to make an image of the object, लेकिन यहाँ पर हम electrons को use करते हैं. That's why it is called electron microscope. The source of radiation, a beam of electrons is used as a source of radiation and its magnification power is 100 times greater than light microscope. ठीक है, रेजोल्यूशन, इट्स रेजोल्यूशन पावर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन माइक्रोस्कोप इज 0.2 नैनोमीटर, नॉट माइक्रोमीटर, 0.2 नैनोमीटर. ठीक है, एंड द प्रोसेस ऑफ इमेज फॉर्मेशन. The object is placed in a vacuum chamber because it allows the traveling of electrons. These electrons are either passed through or reflected from the object and the image is formed. The electromagnetic lenses focus the electron beam on the screen or photographic film and make much enlarged image. Types of electron microscopes. There are two types of electron microscope: scanning electron microscope and transmission, TEM. Transmission electron microscope, SEM, scanning electron microscope. So these are the two types of the electron microscope. Now, what is transmission electron microscope? It is used to view the internal structure of the cell. Its magnification power is about 250,000 times. Scanning electron microscope is used to study the detailed structure of the surface of the cells or any other objects. अब आप डिफरेंस देख सकते हैं, इसमें हम internal structure की स्टडी कर सकते हैं and this is used for the surface of the cells or any other objects. The specimens is coated with metal electrons are reflected from the metal that makes the image of the object. Its magnification power is about 10,000 to 1 lakh times. Now, what is the difference between light microscope and electron microscopes? This is the comparison between light microscope and the electron microscope. ठीक है, ये this is light microscope and this is electron microscope. electron microscope पे electron is used as a source of light, while light में आप देखें जिसको हम compound microscope है जिसमें simple एक bulb एक ट्यूबलाइट को लिया गया है as a source of the radiation. यहाँ पर sample रखा गया है, यहाँ पर sample रखा गया है. यहाँ पर optical lenses use होते हैं light microscope में, जबकि electron microscope में magnetic lenses use होते हैं. अब हम इसका difference one by one point करके हम पढ़ते हैं. Light microscope, radiation type is light. Electron microscope में beam of electrons is used as a source of light, source of radiations. Lenses, light microscope में optical lenses use होती हैं, जिसके भी आपको मैंने डायग्राम में बताया. electron microscope में magnetic lenses use होती हैं. Magnification is 10,000 times greater than the naked eye, while electron microscope का जो magnification power है 100 times greater than the light microscope. Resolution 500 times of the naked eye, 400 times of the light microscope. Images, light microscope से हमें 2D, 2-dimensional images हासिल होती हैं, while electron microscope से transmission electron microscope shows 2-dimensional 2D image, while SEM scanning electron microscope shows 3D image, 3-dimensional images. So this is all about the today's topic. Take care. Allah Hafiz.